So, yesterday, we were in Bacolod. So, nanggaling din tayo sa Robinson's Bacolod. And meron din doon book sale. Yan, we are so into books. Yan, hilig tayo mag-read. Yan, using it sa ating mga journaling, sa ating mga trainings, yan, mga books natin. Or, even here at YouTube, we share our learnings from our books. So, first is, You're Stronger Than You Think ni Dr. Les Parrott. So, alam ko sa marriage yung mga other books. The Power to Do What You Feel You Can. So, ano siya? It's a, anong tawag dyan? It's a workbook. So, meron din siyang prompts. So, ano ba yung mga course outline niya? So, may exercises siya and study. So, think simply. There's strength in clearing your head. Think expectantly. There's strength in anticipation. Feel vulnerable. There's strength in owning your weakness. Feel connected. There's strength in being known. Be empty. There's strength in surrender. Be bold. There's strength in taking risks. So, meron siyang exercises, Bible verses, group discussions. And the first is the power of the mind. So, what do you think of this? What thoughts and desires come to mind when you recognize when you are on discontinuum? Meron siyang before that na if I were to x-ray your mind, admittedly an impossibility, and measure whether you were tapping into God's strength by thinking simply and thinking expectantly, what do you think I would find? Yan, i-x-ray daw ni Dr. Parrott ang ating brain. Ano kaya makikita sa brain natin? And so, meron siyang mga exercises they have to answer. There's strength in clearing your mind. Yan. So, journaling din to. What 2 or 3 thoughts, fears, or pressures have been clouding your mind recently? Be specific as possible. Yan. Maganda siya, di ba? This is only for 35 pesos. Ito medyo sa atin expensive na yan. Transforming Your Relationship by Dr. Ron Elmore. 127 pesos. Medyo it took us some time to decide where to buy kasi nga po ang dami na nating books na binili the past weeks, di ba? But while we are reading it, nakita natin maganda rin yung mga prompts niya. It parang starts with thinking about yourself or your own self, your own strengths. Yun yung ano, hindi pa tayo tapos and we have to go na to the next store. So yan. So this is our 2 hauls. This one is 127, bati siyang 138. So yan, medyo expensive na sa atin ng 127 kasi nga we are able to buy 35 pesos and 10 pesos book at book sale. Yan, let's read to that. Ayan. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.